Orangnya chef? Kapal besar. Kapal besar. Kan istimewa. Apa?
Kami naik kapal besar. Goyang-goyang.
Berangkat naik dan di kapalan tadi tidak kita rekam. Sekarang kita sudah selesai, sudah keluar dari balongan. Nah, sebentar lagi kita mau ke kota Sabang. Setelah beberapa tahun ini tidak di sini.
Kita mau kemana, Bu? Inilah di belakang. Ada Azrul Rahmanadi. Mana?
Oke, setelah semua keributan dari pagi dengan subuh-subuh sudah antri di pelabuhan, juga bawa anak-anak repotnya di kapal dan sudah berpenginapan. Sekarang sudah lewat jam 3 sore. Kita mau coba berenang ke Pulau Rubiah. Ikuti perjalanan kita sekarang. Belum, Niko belum naik nih. Bang, suum. Halah si gogo pi suum.
Mana dia?
Bele, tapi dia hanya mana dah seberang belah deh. Kita akan naik speedboatnya di sini. Kita akan naiknya di sini, seperti sini. Kita akan keliling nanti Pulau Rubiah, nanti kita akan mandi-mandi di sini. Gimana?
Mungkin yang mudah no. Kita telepon nomornya.
Kotek kena wo. Oke.
Sebut bot nomor 17.
Bot sampai 17.
Enggak balik. Yang batas balik ni denda telepon phone 6.
Paling delak phone 6.
Phone 6.
Bang. Oke, kita sudah di atas speedboat. Kita akan ke Pulau Rubiah. Oke, kita sudah sampai di salah satu warung. Kita ganti-ganti baju di sini dulu.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this
mandi-mandi di Iboy. Di Pulau Rubiah. Kita selesai mandi-mandi di Pulau Rubiah. Tadi seru mandinya. Sekarang kita balik dulu ke penginapan.
Nanti kita coba mandi di sebelah sana lagi. Oke, sampai jumpa di seberang lagi. Dek. Apa yang tahu? Yang pixels kan? Abang? Cari aja. Nanti aja sama-sama. Ini tangan kiri.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the